Top 10 Diabetes Symptoms. What are the early signs of diabetes and treatments? As per the CDC, diabetes affects approximately 9% of Americans. Diabetes is becoming more widespread in the United States, with 1.5 million people diagnosed each year. High blood sugar can lead to significant consequences such as heart failure and stroke. Diabetes, on the other hand, may be controlled with medication, food, and exercise, allowing you to live a full healthy life. Watch to the end to discover if you can be a diabetic without knowing. Please note this video is for educational purposes and must not be perceived as medical advice. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a disease that develops when blood sugar, glucose, levels are excessively high, which can be caused by insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, or a failure to create insulin, type 1 diabetes. Difference between type 1 and type 2 diabetes? The fundamental distinction between the two types of diabetes is that type 1 is a hereditary problem that frequently manifests early in life, whereas type 2 is mostly a diet-related disease that evolves over time. Your immune system attacks and destroys the insulin-producing cells in your pancreas if you have type 1 diabetes. How do you know if it's type 1 or type 2 diabetes? The A1C, or glycated hemoglobin test, is the most common way to identify both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. This blood test calculates your average blood sugar level over the previous 2 to 3 months. Your doctor may take a blood sample or prick your finger. How to check for diabetes? A finger prick test or an electronic blood sugar monitor called a flash glucose monitor or CGM can be used to examine blood sugar levels. This can be done numerous times each day to assist you to keep track of your blood sugar levels as you go about your day and figure out what to eat and how much medication to take. Diabetes symptoms. 1. Increased thirst. Vital fluids will be drawn from your body when your kidneys work overtime and you urinate very often. You will feel continually thirsty if you urinate continuously. 2. Blurred vision. High blood sugar levels can damage the tiny blood vessels in the eye, causing an enlarged lens that leads to blurred vision. Your eyesight may begin to improve or worsen when your blood sugar rises and fall. 3. Tingling or numbness in the hands or feet. Nerve damage can be caused by high blood sugar levels. Tingling or numbness are common symptoms of nerve damage, which can progress to pain or neuropathy over time. 4. Yeast infections. Yeast thrives in the presence of a high concentration of sugar in your blood and urine. Yeast can feed on excess sugar in the genital region, including the lips and armpits. Keeping your blood sugar in check can help you avoid acquiring yeast infections. 5. Frequent urination. Your kidneys release excess blood sugar, and when your blood sugar is elevated, leading you to urinate excessively. Frequent urination that is serious enough to wake you up to go to the bathroom during sleep is one of the early warning signs of diabetes. 6. Fatigue. When your blood sugar level is elevated, your body works overtime to eliminate the sugar. This process not only impacts your body, but it also changes the way your body uses glucose for energy. Hyperglycemia, or excessive high blood sugar, causes fatigue along with other symptoms. Dehydration, which comes with more frequent urination, is also a prominent cause of fatigue in diabetics. 7. Increased hunger. When you have high blood sugar, your body works hard to eliminate it. You may experience greater hunger as your body expels so much of the glucose you consume from your food. 8. Skin discoloration. Insulin resistance can cause black spots on your skin to emerge in the folds of your neck, underarm area, or groin. The texture of this tanned skin might be elevated and silky. 9. Slow healing cuts and wounds. Damaged blood vessels produce decreased blood circulation in the same way that damaged eye tissue causes blurred vision. Due to this, blood has a tough time reaching the damaged area, and minor cuts or wounds might take a few weeks to heal. Unhealed cuts and wounds are more likely to become infected, raising the risk of amputation. 10. Unexplained weight loss. You're losing your main energy source when you release surplus glucose and when your body can't use glucose for energy. It starts to burn fat and muscle, resulting in weight loss. At 10 pounds or 5% of total body weight, unexpected weight loss is deemed substantial. What is the best treatment for diabetes? Unless there is a compelling reason not to, metformin is usually the first medicine used to treat type 2 diabetes. Metformin is a drug that is both effective and affordable. It has the potential to lower the risk of cardiovascular events. Finally, can you be a diabetic without knowing it? The answer is yes. Type 2 diabetic patients may have no symptoms initially. They might not show symptoms for years. Diabetes can cause major health issues, such as stroke, heart disease, kidney disease, and blindness. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you are interested in how to lose weight without exercise or how to lose belly fat fast, click link in description below.